In this video, I'll show you how to sell Toncoin from Tonkeeper step by step. First, open the Tonkeeper app and unlock your wallet. On the main screen, you'll see your Ton balance. Since Tonkeeper is a crypto wallet, it doesn't usually convert crypto directly to cash, so you'll normally sell your Toncoin through a crypto exchange. Next, open your exchange account such as Binance, OKX, or another platform that supports the Ton network. Go to Deposit, choose Toncoin, and copy the deposit address shown on the exchange. Make sure the network selected is Ton. Now return to the Tonkeeper app, tap Ton and select Send. Paste the exchange deposit address you copied earlier, then enter the amount of Toncoin you want to send. Double-check the wallet address and amount before confirming the transaction. After the transfer is completed and the Ton arrives in your exchange account, go to the Trade section of the exchange. Sell your Toncoin for USDT or your preferred currency, and then withdraw the funds to your bank account or other payment method supported by the exchange. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.